Friends, welcome back to my channel Indra Max Academy. Today we are discussing about one of the simple topic LCM by prime factorization method. Okay, see Nana, LCM. LCM means what? L means least, C means common, C means common, M means multiple. M means multiple. Okay, to find LCM, three methods are there, Nana. Three methods are there. In these three methods, first one is prime factorization method. First one is prime factorization, prime factorization method. Second one is prime factorization method. Second one is to find common multiples. To find common multiples, common multiples. And third one is division method. Third one is division method. Okay, in these three methods, you can find the LCM. To find the LCM, today we are saying about one of the topic, prime factorization. Prime factorization. Okay, see Nana, prime factorization. This is very simple topic, Nana. Prime means we can take only prime numbers. Prime means we can take only prime numbers. Factor means what? Factor means already in the previous classes you learn. Factor means what? In which table the given number will come. In which table the given number will come. That means nothing but a tables. That means what? Suppose we are taking 24. 24 in which table will come? It is possible in a 2 table. 2 12 ja 24. So 2 is the factor of 24. And 12 table also 24 will come. That means 12 2 is 24. 12 is also a factor of 24. Okay, did you understand now? Factor means tables. Okay, prime factorization means you can take prime tables, prime number tables. Okay, first one I am giving one of the example to you. Example 15 comma 24. I am taking one of the example 15 comma 24. Okay, first you can take 15. Now write like that. And 15 in which table is possible? See, 15 is in which table? 3 table. 3 5 is 15. Why here I took only 3? Because it is a prime number. Prime number means what? It is not possible in the any table. Why? 3 is possible in the only 3 table and it is possible in only one table. That means itself and one table. That is called a prime number. That means the number is possible in the itself table and one table. That is called prime number. Okay, 3 is a prime number. That's why I took 3 table 5. 3 5 is 15. And again 5 is in which table is possible? 5 is possible in the 5 table. 5 ones 5. Okay, here 1 cube means leave it. Completed. This prime factor is completed. Now next, second one what? 24. 24 is in which table is possible? You know divisibility rules means it is easy for you. Okay, divisibility rules. No. Last, what is the digit here? 4 is there. 4 is possible in the 2 table. So this full number is possible in the 2 table. Last, 4 is there. 4 is there means it is possible in the 2 table. So this full number 24 is possible in the 2 table. Okay, I am taking 2 table. But I don't know. In 2 table 24 how many times I don't know means you can do the division. 24 table 2 how many times? 2 ones 2. 0 4 bring down. 2 2s 4. Remainder 0. How many times came? 12 times. Okay, 12 right here. Next, again 12 is in which table is possible? 2 table. 2 6 12. And again 6 is possible in which table? 2 3 is 6. And again 3 is possible in which table? 3 1 3. Okay, last 1 came means I told what I told, leave it. Now see Nana, 15 equal to first which table you took? 3 table and next 5 table. Okay, next now write 24. 24 equal to, in 24 which table first? 2 table, and next 2 table, and again 2 table, and again 3 table. Now round off what are the common numbers. Here see Nana, here 3 is there, here also 3 is there. So LCM equal to, okay, what are the common numbers? That number write only one time. That numbers write only one time. Okay, 3 is 2 times is there, that means that is common, so I written only one time. Okay, any number now had a common? No, not there. Here 5 is there, but here 5 is not there, so you can write one time 5, and what are the remaining? 2 2 2 2 2 2. Now multiply. 3 5 is 15, 15 2s 30, 32s 60, 62s 120. This is the general method to find the LCM by using prime factorization. Prime factorization. Okay, you can take another method. You can take another example too. Okay, say anyway two numbers or three numbers. Now I am taking 36, 48 and 54. I am taking these numbers. Okay, now write 36. Okay, 36 is possible in a 2 table. Why? How I know? Because last 6 is there. 6 is there means that is possible in the 2 table. So 2 table, 1's plus digit is possible in the 2 table means this full number is possible in the 2 table. So okay, 2 table. 2 table 36 how many times? You don't know means do division. 2 table 36 how many times? 2 ones 2, 3 minus 2 1, 6 bring down, 2 8s 16. So remainder 0. That means how many times it is possible? 18 times. Okay, 18. And again last 8 is there. 8 is there means that is possible in the 2 table. 2 table how many times it is possible? 2 9s 18. Okay, now here 9 is there. 9 is not possible in the 2 table, that's why I am not taking the 2 table. Now in which table it is possible? 3 table it is possible, so you can take 3 table. In 3 table how many times it is, how many times it is possible? 3 times. Next 3 table, 3 ones 3. Okay, 1 k means leave it. Start. 48. Here see Nana, last 8 is there. 8 is there means that is possible in the 2 table. So full number 48 is possible in the 2 table. In 2 table how many times 48? 2 2s 4, 2 4s 8. That means it is possible in the 24 times. Suppose you don't know means do division. 2 table 48, 2 2s 4, 4 minus 4 0. 8 bring down, 2 4s 8. 8 minus 8 0. Remainder 0 came. That means how many times it is possible in 2 table? 24 times. That only I written see here. Now again I am taking 2 table. Why? Here last digit is, that means 1's plus digit is 4 is there. 4 is there means that is possible in the 2 table. So full number is possible in the 2 table. 2 table 24 is 12 times. Now only I told, I know directly. Okay, in 2 table 24 how many times? You don't know means what you want to do? Do division. 2 ones 2, 2 minus 2 0, 4 bring down, 2 2s 4, 4 minus 4 0. Okay, that's when 12 times. Okay, again 12 is possible in the 2 table. 2 6 12, 2 3 is 6. Again 3 is possible. 3 table, 3 ones 3. Last 1 came means leave it. Now 54, see here. Now only I told last 4 is there means that is possible in the 2 table. Okay, 2 table. 54 how many times? I don't know. That's why I am doing division. See here. 2 2s 4. 5 minus 4 1. 4 bring down. 2 7s 14. How many times came? 27. 27 times I written. Now last 1's plus digit is 7 is there. 7 is not possible in the 2 table. So this full number is not possible in the 2 table. Okay, in which table it is possible? Here you want to take only prime numbers. Prime numbers, which table is possible? 27. 2 table is not possible. So you can take a 3 table. 3 nines 27. Okay, 3 also prime number. Next, 9 is possible in a 3 table. 3 3 is 9. Again 3, 3 ones 3. Okay, ones came means leave it. Now 36 equal to, first which table you took? 2 table and again 2 table and again 3 table, 3 table. Okay, completed, leave it. Next, 48 equal to, 48 equal, first which table you took? 2 and again which table? 2 and again 2, again 2, again 3. Okay, next 54 equal to, 54 first with 2 table, next 3 table, next 3 table and again 3 table. How many times 3 you took? 3 times. 1 2 3. Okay, now write the common. Here see Nana, 2 in 3 numbers are there. See, 2 is there in 3 numbers. That's why I am writing 2 one time. Okay, here see Nana, here 2 2s are there. 36 2 is there. 48 also 2 is there. But 54 2 is not there. Okay, no problem. Leave. Round off. Okay, one time I am writing. Okay, next here see Nana, 3 is there. Here 3 is there. So that also one time write. And here again 3, here again 3, again 3. Okay, 3 numbers are there, again write 3. Now what are the remaining? Here 2 is there, here 2 not there, here 2 not there. No problem, right? And again 2 is the remaining and 3 is the remaining. Now should multiply. 2 2s 4, 4 3s 12, 12 3s 36. 36 2s, I don't know. That's why I am doing multiplication. 2 6 12, 2 3 6 plus 1 72. Okay, up to here 72 came. 72 2s. 72 2s means 2 2s 4, 2 7s 14. And again 3 into 3. 3 4s 12. Again 3 4s 12 plus 1 13. 3 1s 3 plus 1 4. So what is the answer now? 432. The LCM of the 36, 48, 54 is 432. I think all members are understand. Thank you for watching. Please like.